Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete Twitter X account first. You have to open the Twitter or X application in your smartphone and then wait until it gets fully loaded and then click on your logo and then scroll down and find settings and privacy and click on it after that search, the option, your account, or find it. After finding your account option, just click on it and then you will see many options. Now you have to click on the last fourth option, deactivate your account, and click on it. After clicking on deactivate your account, you have to click again on red, deactivate account, and enter your Twitter password, and done. Now nobody can see your X account. Basically, you can't delete it for permanent if you create it once so you can deactivate it. And whenever you enter your password and email, then this account will logging again. So this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that how to permanently delete Twitter/X account. There is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe, drop a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you.